Students, yesterday we have studied about the importance of political science or uses of political science. We have discussed yesterday there are more than 13 points. The total gist of all these points are state and governments both are very essential. Without the knowledge of political science, we can't run state or we can't administer the state or government. Political science gives much stress to what? To the political activities of man. Political activities of man. And thus, how can we conclude this chapter? The summary of this chapter within 4 sentences are, see, totally political science helps to understand the need for state. Need means necessity, need for state. It also emphasis means gives stress to good governance. What is good governance? Government, the way of ruling, that is called governance. Governance of the state, need for a state and good governance of a state, any state. Right from the beginning, each and every state came into exist for the purpose of welfare of the people. Welfare of the people is the basic principle of state or good government. Therefore, state must be good, government must be good, and good governance also good. We require all these things. These things means good state or good government, good governance, able leaders, patriotic leaders, etc. This is the way of political science while teaching the subject matter of political science. Now, the role of elders and people's participation. The political science is very important to know the role of leaders. Role of leaders and participation of people. Yes, the role of leaders. Who is leaders? Here leaders means politicians, various ministers. The role means what? Role means their capacity. MLA, for example, power of an MLA, MP, CM, PM, etc. That is role. Their role in uplifting the country's condition, state of condition, state of improvement. Therefore, the role of the leaders are very, very essential. To know the role of leaders, those leaders must be a sincere one. We are all depend these leaders for the betterment or welfare of us. Therefore, we should select able leaders to run the state or country. Then, participation of people. People actually in each and every functions of the government, people should participate. Why? Because we are practicing democracy. Democracy means by the people, of the people, to the, for the people. Therefore, participation of people is very, very essential. Without the participation of people, these leaders can't know about the problems and conditions of a particular area. We have to meet these leaders and we have to tell our problems. Then only the role of a leader is successful, and also our participation in democracy or in country's administration is also useful. Therefore, political science paves the way to interact with the leaders and government. It helps the people to become good and responsible. It helps people to become a good, responsible and active citizens. Say, people should be good. We should be patriotic, or we should cultivate patriotism. Patriotism is one who loves his mother country. And responsibility. What is responsibility means? Our rights, our duties are our responsibility. We should obey the rules and regulations framed by our country. That is our responsibility. If you go beyond our responsibility, we will punish. Then we should be active, not inactive, not lazy, active citizens. In each and every works of the government, we should participate. Then only we can get the benefit from the government, and through it we can develop our administrative knowledge. This is very easy to the people while competing the local election, panchayat election, taluku panchayat election, Jilla panchayat election. Thus, then political science deals a good and happy state. Happy state means what you say, Rama Rajya, no unhappy. Where there is no unhappy, only happy. Happy means we should elect good leaders, we should participate in day-to-day administration, we should active, responsible. Then only we feel this happy state or happy government, and also good, not bad. Thus, political science tells different things related to politics. Thus from top to bottom we should learn only with the knowledge of this political science. Students, total in this chapter, we knew that the importance of, the introduction on political science, then why it is necessary, who are the great political thinkers, what was their contribution to politics, which were the works they had written, and political science, its meaning and also its uses, and also finally we learn conclusion also, or I told the summary of the whole lesson. Students, now at the end of the lesson, there are 4 fill in the blanks and 5 questions, easy questions. I will send the photocopies of this lesson, pages of this lesson, and also questions. You have to write the answers for those questions, and if you have any doubt, please tell me through messages. I will give answer. Sai Ram.